Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. So today I have, I think, one of the most brilliant hack ideas I've ever show you how I made an automatic faucet with a $18 purchase from Amazon and an $18 purchase from Walmart and absolutely nothing else. Stay tuned. Okay, so I bought this USB chargeable faucet. It's automatic pumping. It lasts a couple months, I guess, via charge. We'll be testing that out. I actually had purchased like a $75 faucet. I went ahead and sold it, and I've been using this just going into my sink. The only issue I've come across with this whole setup is how to stabilize it on the sink, because it's actually on metal. I'm not screwing down into wood. Had I thought about that, I might have done a different solution, but my sink has a hole in the back, just like most sinks have, and I want to mount it there and not have to come up with an elaborate fix here. So here's what I came up with. Oh, and I want the cord to run down to a freshwater tank underneath the sink that I actually just fill at any water station. So I went and bought me one of my little trusty dusty 6-gallon. This is actually what I'm using right now for, I have one of these for the wastewater that goes in, and I bought a second one because they're super slim. They fit perfectly underneath my sink. I'll put the dimensions to these down below. They're BPA free. I got it at Walmart. I think it was $16 or it might have been $18. It does come with this cap, almost like a gas cap type deal, so that it's got a plug, or you can take the plug part off and then you screw that on and you've got a faucet. Here's where my little engineer mind came in. If I had a wood strip running across the back, it would have been the best, because I could actually just bolt that right into my hole. I'm going to show you the best part. So when I take this automatic, love this little thing. It's got this on the bottom. So if I was to just set it, I mean, how is it not going to slide? So what I have come up with is so you're going to take this little part with these flaps. So wherever you're mounting it to, here's the back, it's going to be flat, like that. Either do a small screw or a nail, or I'm probably going to have to do some sort of adhesive. I can only use this part, the downspout, instead of using an outspout. And then this is almost a perfect fit. I might go get some sort of a bushing type, or like a grommet type deal, but that way my tubing can run straight down out of here into the space below. I might have to get an extra large or an extra long tubing, and I'll figure that part out. This looks to be pretty standard, and it does have this removable tip that I think that just goes in there. This goes up in here, and voila. So here is my sink. Don't mind that mess. I just like to put the board sideways, cover it up, because my dirty dishes kind of soak there. And I can finally say bye to this water bottle. It leaks. I have to turn it up. There has to be a thing underneath it. It slides. That's why I put the board up. I will now be able to put my board straight. And check this out. So that hole on this Ruvati sink, and I'll put the link down to that below as well. I got it on Amazon. This part that comes standard off that 6-gallon BPA free water jug. Literally, watch this. This part is gonna make it fit super snug, and I might have to taper that a little bit. Let's see how that goes. Gosh, that's almost perfect. I just need to cut this little tab off. There's a tab, a funny tab. And voila. So I am going to take those tabs off completely. That way I don't have to worry about doing any of that. Let's see what happens. No. I may go get a little PVC coupling just to go in there if it fits a little tighter. I'm gonna check on that, but so far that going down in just goes straight into the hole. It's gonna go down into that below. I didn't go buy anything extra. I could even use just one of those tacky pads right underneath that. It's a non-stick so that it's removable anytime. I can change it out, but I am super stoked with this. Much more slimline purchase, especially for this space. It's not a big giant faucet, and it actually allows me more room for my baskets of stuff, so I'm excited. So I did find a 5-foot section of this 5/8 inch supply line that fits right onto the machine. Goes down. I did cut 2 feet off. This is quite a bit more rigid than the supply line that came with the machine. I found this at the plumbing department in Home Depot. I will try to find a little bit more less rigid to see if it pulls a little bit better, but so far I have ordered, in fact we're gonna go pick it up right now, just a tacky pad, and that's what I'm gonna use. Cut around that base so that this does not turn at all, but I kind of like the option too of having a little bit and being able to remove that. So for me that works, but voila. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. It's actually going into the sink, not splashing on the board, but it works great. Absolutely love it. So there's my $40 hack. So I would love to hear if this hack worked for you. Make sure and comment below and let me know. And do you have one of these? Is this something you were thinking about? Is this an idea that maybe sparked some interest? I would love to know, and thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. I try to upload 2 a week, sometimes it's only 1. Sometimes life happens and it's none, but I love each and every one of you, and I'm excited to grow this family and share this video with somebody else that may benefit from it. Have a great day. Love you all. Bye. And how could I be this close to an amazing beach sunset and not show you? And of course, thanks car. Out of all the other parking spots, parking lot. There you go. Have a beautiful Sunday. Thanks so much for watching.